In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add people to your Jira project. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would, and then from here it should bring something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to find a specific project that you want to add your people to, and once you do that, it should be something like this once you get inside of your project. Now from here you'll need to go back over to the left-hand menu and go down to more options right aside of the project, and from here you'll need to go down to add people. Once from here, it should bring something like this where you can see you can add people to your specific project, and here you'll be able to add the names or emails directly onto your project. Now from here, once you click on it, you can either select one that you have previously added into another project inside of Jira, or you can add them using their email address. You can also add them from Google, Slack, or Microsoft down here. And from here, you can also add which type of member that they need to be. Then you can choose either administrator, guest or collaborator, member, or viewer. Once from here, you can either copy the link or you can click add right here, and then an email will be sent to that specific mail address that you just previously pasted in, and then they'll be able to go inside of the link and then accept your invitation. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!